How to check recent activity on Android. Checking recent activity on Android is quite easy and simple. Open settings on your Android device. Tap on search bar at top of the screen. Type in data. Wait for a while and choose data and privacy. Choose the Google account and scroll a bit down. Tap My Activity button. Wait a moment until everything loads on this page. Once you get access to this page, scroll a bit down, and these are all your recent activities on Android.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.